Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to unlock the protected worksheets without using any of the paid software or macro code. So this is a very simple trick and I am going to show you with two simple steps. But before that I kindly request you to not misuse this trick to unlock a copyrighted workbook or others workbook. So please use this if this workbook is owned by you and you unfortunately forget the password, and don't use in others workbook. So this is some of the sample data, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock it, protect this sheets 1 with a password. So I'm going to protect sheet. I'm going to enter one of the complicated password and click on OK, and it's asking again, so I'm entering the password again and click on OK. Now this sheet 1 is completely protected, so I'm just checking it now. I'm saving and closing this. So this is the protected sheets. I'm just trying to alter some values and let's see what happens. So it is displaying that the sheet is protected and you cannot able to do any changes. So now close this sheet, and now I'm going to show you how to unlock it. Please watch it carefully. I'm just editing this workbook name and change the file format from XLSX to zip. If you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure want to change it? Go ahead with S button. Now just extract all here. So now a new folder is created called the sample folder is created, and inside that all the zip contents are extracted. Now what you have to do is go to this XL folder. Please note that you should go to XL folder, not to doc or else something. Go to XL, and inside the XL you will find a 3 folder. Go to worksheets folder. So worksheets folder contain 3 XML files: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. We have protected a sheet 1.xml file, that is a sheet 1 in the workbook is protected, so we need to edit or do something in the sheet 1.xml. So open it with WordPad. So now this XML file contains lot of data, and what you have to do is you need to find a word called protection. Here it is. So what you have to do is you need this protection start with a lesser than tag and always ends with, in XML all the data starts with lesser than tag and end with slash followed by greater than tag. So this sheet protection, what you have to do is this sheet protection start with this lesser than symbol and ends here. After scenarios is equal to 1, it's end here with slash followed by greater than sign. What you have to do is you need to remove this from the XML. You need to remove this portion and this portion as well as this tag also. So I'm just removing this tag. After removing this tag, save this and close this XML file. Now come back. So all your data is inside the sample folder. Select all the data and click on zip. So you need to select all this data and zip it. Name this as unlocked XLS. So I am just zipped it and name the file as unlocked. Sorry, this is not properly unlocked. The name is not correct. Okay, leave it. I'm just naming it as unlocked followed by a file name .xls. So, and again it is asking that it might become unusable. So are you sure want to change it? Yes, I want to change it. And just open this workbook. You are trying to open in a different format specified by this. So you will prompt with that error message, and after that you will see the data in the sheet 1 which is unlocked. Now you can do anything whatever you want in the sheet 1 which is previously locked with a password. So I am able to do anything on the sheet, editing or deleting or anything I can do. It's purely unlocked. Please let me know if you have any doubts, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.